Going to be taking the harmonic balancer off. And so I put something on there to hold the balancer. And that's the bolt there. And this should come right off fairly easily. Kind of walking it out. No puller needed or anything. I'm going to leave the seal alone because I can always come back and change that later if I need to. It's not leaking now, and if it leaks later, it's not that hard to change. So this is the old balancer. Like I said, the outer ring is missing on this one. We've got a new balancer here. And it's a good idea to look closely and compare the parts. This one came with a woodruff key. I'll probably just use the woodruff key that's in there already, since there's already one on the shaft. And I just want to compare. You see there's the three bumps for the ignition. And what I also want to do is take a look closely and see that the keys line up with the correct bumps. You just never know. It appears to, like I can see there's the keys, and then off slightly is the bumps here, and there's one here, two down there. And then also I want to look at the diameter of the old one, getting about 48 millimeter. Same here, about 48 millimeter. That's good. I know it will. Also want to look at the height, how far it's going to go in. They appear to be the same. It's just a good idea to really look it over and make sure before you install it. I'm also going to confirm the belts are correct. And it's pretty easy to do right now while it's on the bench. I can just put the belt in there and see that it fits in there great. That's good. This is the alternator air conditioner belt. And this is the power steering belt. Yeah, that looks good too. The belts look good and the parts look good. So now it's just a matter of installing it. I did see something kind of funny right in here on the teeth of the pulley. There's something there. I want to make sure that's not a piece of metal or something that's going to chew up my belt. Yeah, it came right out. It was, I guess it was some paint. You can see where they've ground away the timing marks to make them visible. Looks good. Oh, also I can check the ID here just to make sure it's reasonable. 32 and 32. Yep. So the parts look good. I'm gonna coat a little oil on here to help it go in, and also on the outside so it doesn't drag up on the seal. So I can see the woodruff key up in the top there. It's about the 1 o'clock position. So I'm going to align that. I've got some Vaseline here on my pulley, and I'm just going to work it in. And I'll use the bolt to go ahead and pull it the rest of the way. So we're going clockwise now. There we have it, the new harmonic balancers installed.